Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a 4-inch tile in purples and golds. Going down now is the Anchors Aweigh by Sherwin Williams Color to Go. This is my pillow paint. Next down is Dioxizine Purple by JoSonja. Next down is Agapanthus by This Little Piggy. This started out as a dry pigment, a powder basically, and had to be wet by using some varnish to be able to release it and make sure that it flowed. And it's added to the pouring medium. Next is Interference Gold by Golden. And interference colors look white, but they show their colors when their light hits them just right. Next is This Little Piggy's Lemon Sorbet. This is a nice light yellow with a gold undertone. For some reason it's looking a little green in this picture, but trust me, it's yellow. Next down is our cell activators. This is Iridescent Gold Deep by Amsterdam, and it's mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. Our second cell activator is Titanium White, and again by Amsterdam, mixed exactly the same way. And last cell activator is Lamp Black, also by Amsterdam, and again, same exact measurements. Now, measurements I talk about are guidelines. You kind of really have to feel what they're doing for them to work correctly. I have a series of videos that I put together to explain how I mix my paints, my pouring mediums, my cell activators, and how I select pillow paints. If you're interested in that, you can find that in the link above and or down in the description if you'd like to check it out. What I had there is one of my big straws that allows me to blow straight down and get that circle to open up in the middle. I can catch the edges of the paint and blow it across the tile. And all I'm doing is just trying to get as much of the coverage as I can and blow that cell activator out as far as possible. Get as many cells going as possible. Getting pretty close now. I'm seeing that I've got a pretty good coverage across the tile. Just checking to see if I can get the cell activator over in the middle still a little more centered on the tile. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'll give it a spin. This is a pretty fast spin. Tiles generally, because of the surface, go pretty quickly. So I don't mind giving it a spin as long as I don't see my splatter mark going out much further than it is there. I still have the 4 tips that are showing the tile through, so I gave it another spin. So I'm going to have to pick up one of my spoons and just bring some of the color onto the tile and cover that space, and hopefully also to encourage the flow of paint over that area. getting pretty good coverage at this point. Just making sure those sides are also covered. Just like that little piece there that just didn't have anything on it. And I think we're getting pretty darn close to being able to take a closer look at this. I'll pick up my large spatula and give you a closer look. If you found today's video useful, I'd invite you to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, so I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.